how to fix login errors on the GrubHub Driver application. If you would like to fix the login errors that you're facing on the GrubHub Driver app, there could be many reasons why this is happening first. So you want to make sure first of all it's not the issue with your internet connection, because if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Then you can try to open up settings. Then from settings you can simply scroll and go to the option that says apps right here. Then once you go to the apps section, in the search bar you can just type in for GrubHub Drivers app and search for it. By the way, if you're on iPhone you have to offload the app, but for Android users you can simply scroll to the storage option. From the bottom, tap on clear cache and also make sure to clear the data of the app. Now also check if the GrubHub Driver app has an update. If it does, make sure to update to the latest version. Even after you do all this, you're not being able to log in, then chances are that your details are incorrect or you have not signed up for GrubHub Drivers yet. So you can open the GrubHub Drivers app. If you have not signed up to become a driver, then you'll find the option that says sign up to deliver instead. So you can tap on it, start creating a new account on GrubHub Drivers. But if you already have, then you can tap on log back in. Sometimes it could just be that you've forgotten your password, so you can tap on the need a new password option. Just enter the email address which you use to sign up your GrubHub account with, then tap on the submit button, and then you should be able to go ahead and then reset it as well. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.